trying to get a soft path. That's when it gets hard.
Now I get your question. I'm used to talking to drunkards, so it's fine. Now let me tell you this for free. I know you read stories around have 10-year plan, 50-year plan, it now looks like people that don't have 10-year plan cannot make it. Let me tell you this reality. Go back and read your stories very well in the Bible. The story of Abraham. God told him to leave where he was to the land he will show him, yes or no?
Yes.
If you had run into Abraham on the road and you asked Abraham, where are you going? What will be his answer?
No.
It is okay not to know. Stop trying to have everything figured out. So understand that life is like the headlamp of a car. If you own the car, regardless of how bright the light is, it cannot show you the beginning to the end of the road. The more you go, the more you see. Every time you think you have solved easy, harder will come. Every time you think it is getting easier, harder will come. The good thing about overcoming your problem is it qualifies you for better problems. You need to handle bad better. Handle as is better.
Everybody's born a winner, yeah. If only you just believe it. Close your eyes and come and see now. Don't you worry about a thing, yeah. 'Cause if you work hard, you can get it if you want. If you strive hard, you can climb the mountaintop. If you work hard, you can get it if you want. 'Cause nothing is too small and nothing is too big. Oh, you're me, oh, you're me, yeah. Oh, you're me, oh, so call me, oh, you're me, you're me, yeah. Oh, you're me, oh, so call me, oh, yeah. What my eyes have seen.
He has gone far and wide. He has been through many rivers. He said yes. He don't cross from Nasarawa.
From Ondo.